Hey guys, so I received this hair from Nadula Hair for this video. I'm going to be bleaching the knots, but first I have to remove the film that's on top that's kind of like a skin tone texture. There are tracks underneath this, but luckily there's still some lace left to go ahead and bleach the knots for, because I think it's just needed for a more natural look for me, but you don't have to do that. That's what that sheet of skin tone fabric is for, I guess. But yeah, I already bleached the knots in this unit, and I'm going to go in and do a braid out on this unit so that I can wear a nice beachy wave look for the rest of this video. This is a body laced wig, but I think that I wanted more waves to it. Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with a new video. Today I wanted to do more of a glow up transformation, including like my hair and minimal makeup, because my skin's been doing really well recently. Like, this is just my skincare from like 7 a.m. this morning. It is now 12 p.m. so my skin has just been really glowy lately. This video is sponsored by Nadula Hair. So I'm going to show you guys how I basically style the hair, make it wavy, and then also just kind of do the front portion of it with the Got to Be Glued spray. I'm going to try to just go for a very natural, effortless look because I've just been feeling kind of down lately, and I think that I need a little bit of a pick-me-up and just something that I can do to make myself feel better without doing too much, because I just don't really have the energy to put in that much effort right now. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and just talk about what I've been going through and also just what I've been kind of seeing in the media and stuff like that. So I'm going to start off with the Got to Be Glued under here and just like make sure everything is laid down. They also sent me a little like thing to wrap around my edges so that it stays. Also, this is a closure laced unit, so in that case I don't have to like do the entire side of my head here. It just has like little hard, I guess, wiring here so that it lays down flat on the sides, which is great. Yeah, so I've been having a terrible week. I mean, almost a terrible month, but I would say mostly a terrible week. I heard that it was retrograde in Mars and Aries or something, and I'm in Aries. I think that Mars is the ruler of Aries, so I'm feeling this retrograde pretty hard, and I feel like that's part of the reason as to why it's been hard for me lately to honestly feel motivated and get stuff done. I don't know why, but that's just how it is recently for me. Basically what you guys see in the thumbnail, like the before picture, is how I've been dressing at home, and I just don't feel as motivated or anything like that. And I know people have been saying like it's better if you are working from home and that you're dressing more professionally. I just haven't really been feeling the need to do that. I've been feeling more tired lately. I've been taking a lot more naps, more than usual, and I'm not a person that likes to take naps necessarily unless I really need to, and I don't think that I've really needed to just because I've been getting enough sleep. Like, that's how I know there's something wrong, because I'm taking more naps and I'm just more exhausted. And I know like I'm not the only one. I made a post about my fellow Aries viewers and how they're feeling lately, and they're also feeling very exhausted. So I feel for you guys if you're in the same position as I am. And it's weird because I know for a fact that I have been putting in all the effort to make sure that I have content out there that I really like. I even ordered like white contacts for Halloween so that I can do like another, or like a few, why can I do that? Kind of just do a really cool fairy 2.0 look like I did the first year. I've got all of my paint supplies ready to go for that, and I kind of want to film that towards the end of this month or early October. I kind of want to use my products from Touch and Soul, so I'm gonna go for like a glass skin type of look for today. I'm gonna first use the Pretty Filter Water Glow Cream. They also gave me their Glassy Skin Balm from Touch and Soul. I really like this a lot. You want to look really like nice and glowy without really having to wear much makeup. But of course, I have hyperpigmentation. I've got like all that going on, discoloration and stuff. So I still have to wear some sort of cover up on my skin. So I'm also gonna be using this balm. It's kind of interesting how the texture is. Okay, so the glass skin balm really makes everything look really nice and glowy. It doesn't look like shiny or oily in a way. It's also been like a really weird month for me to sign contracts for work and stuff. Everything just got translated wrong, and on top of that I almost got paid for a video, but then like this hair company was really rude recently, which I'm never going to work with them ever. I'm not gonna upload the video either because obviously like we're not on good terms. But they didn't like the fact that I didn't have on makeup while installing my wig, and I never wear makeup while installing my units like ever because I don't want to mix in any of my product with my foundation. I already filmed the whole video and I'm not really in the best mental headspace right now. And so me filming or me having to refilm the video was not going to be an option for me. It was such a great conversation, you guys, how a lot of people aren't really very inclusive with their own circles on YouTube. But I'm not sure if you guys really want to hear it about it. If you do, just let me know. It probably won't be a hair video though. It's just gonna be like one of me just talking about random stuff. Okay, so with this unit, you guys, it's got like little tracks in here in the closure area, which I'm not really too fond of, but when you are getting this wig, there's just gonna be a small portion of lace here and then the rest are gonna be tracks. I feel like there could be more space for me to experiment with, but there really isn't. So I'm going to kind of twist this backwards. Also thinking that I kind of wanted to do like a cool storm type of look as well, because I do have like those white contacts that I have coming in, but I don't necessarily have white hair just yet, but that's something that I could definitely order in. I think that's the best we're gonna be able to do, guys. Okay, and now I'm gonna just use my Camilla Essential Hair Oil Serum on the rest of my hair because this is like 2-day-old braid out that I did with this unit. Okay, so now I'm gonna move into my makeup. I'm gonna just do something really simple and something very natural looking. Yeah, I'm gonna start off with my trusty Makeup Obsessions Mega Conceal in number 15. Yeah, I wanted to use my Tula Skincare Brightening Up Smoothing Primer Gel. I've been using this for a while in my last couple of videos and I keep getting compliments on my skin in those videos too, so like maybe this will be another good one. I love primer gels. I think that Milk Makeup really set the standard for that, and so I'm always using the Hydro Grip Primer Gel all the time, but this one is a little bit more like, I wouldn't say it's like mattifying necessarily, but it does like make your pores a lot smaller. To cover the marks on my face. But yeah, I've had to slow down more this month because I think I was just doing way too much, way too fast. I wasn't reading over contracts very well. I was just kind of like going all in, and sometimes you have to just slow down and just like take a breather, take a break. I took a break yesterday. I didn't film anything, even though I just felt like crap for not filming anything or not wanting to film anything. Like I just did not have the willpower to. And I also set up a phone call meeting with my friend Nick. Today we're just gonna go over like video ideas, and we used to do that all the time together before quarantine. Just look at my glow though. It's like, do I even need to wear any highlighter on my face for today? And I'm always gonna have like darker circles just because of the shape of my eyes, because they just kind of protrude out more. I am constantly using an eye cream. The one I use is from Pharmacy Beauty, and it's like a vitamin C one for brightening. But my skin, also like, I don't know, I guess I'll do a video on how my skin has turned into like more of a bouncy texture, like bouncy glowy texture. A little bit of my concealer, and this is in 12.5 from XX Revolution. Just blend that out. and it already made a big difference. We're doing the less is more makeup for today. It gives really good coverage, you guys. Like, this kind of reminds me of the NARS, like the drugstore version of the NARS concealer. It's just really nice and creamy, and it just sits into your skin so beautifully. I should honestly just do like a drugstore makeup look. I'm gonna put all of the links to everything down in the description below because I think these are must-have products. I'm gonna use a little bit of the Honey translucent powder from Laura Mercier. Oh yeah, and I want you guys to also let me know if you like the whole weekly vlog type of thing, because like I want to start filming a few days a week and just like I'll get all the B-roll footage that I need whenever I do go out and just like make a whole vlog out of it, because I think they're really fun sometimes for me to make, especially if I go shopping or something, or if I'm just exploring an area that is really fun around me. So now I'm going to use a little bit of the Laura Mercier pressed powder. .332 Golden Caramel. And this stuff is so good. I didn't realize that my mirror was covering my light. So anyways, I've also started using like a canvas board with foil underneath me because I think it just highlights the rest of my face, especially like whenever I'm filming upstairs. It just makes it look so much better. So pro tip, if you guys want to kind of highlight or fill in the light on your face, just use that. And then I got this new contour palette from Kaleidos Makeup. I have not done a video on them yet, but I am planning on doing one very, very soon. And I like this contour palette because the colors are nice and warm. Usually whenever I get a contour palette, the colors are just always very gray looking on my skin. And I was originally using the contour palette from Black Radiance. Like that to highlight. I want to do like a nice soft highlight today, so I'm gonna go for my NARS highlighter. It's just such a great highlighter. It's so soft on the skin, and like I can never go wrong with this. I always end up going back to this highlighter. My skin has gotten so nice that it just looks better with the highlighter. I just put the excess on my forehead. But I wanted to do like my peachy blush that I have from Makeup Obsession, and it's the palette called Isn't It Peachy? And I usually just use these two darker shades here. I'm just gonna put it on the apples of my cheeks. I always still go on my nose. I can't really avoid that. Brow mascaras have just been my thing recently. Like I just can't get rid of them. And I'm gonna be using, this is a K-beauty brand called VDL. This is like more pink. Do I like this more? I don't think I do. This is also a K-beauty brand. This is an eyeshadow pot. It's like a jelly eyeshadow pot. I'm gonna just put that all over my eyes. Okay, so I made it like a bit less metallic, and I hope that it's like even on both sides. I really wanted to use the Kaleidos Beauty, like one of the shiny tones, probably this one. Ooh, that's pretty. My Thrive mascara for today. Okay, I think that's it for my minimal makeup. I didn't even like fill in my brows. I'm just gonna leave them like that because it's very minimal, very easy. So I got this hair from Nadula hair. I obviously already showed you guys in the beginning of the video how I went in and like styled it. Again, this is their body wave unit. I'm pretty sure this is in a 24-inch. And I just like, obviously I just used a little bit of makeup on the lace portion that it has. And again, as I told you guys before, the lace is like just a tiny bit of lace. And then like the rest of it is just tracks. And I wanted to do something just really natural and just like beachy, wavy-ish. Today I should have like rebraided it last night, but I just didn't really feel like doing that. It came with a few caps in the box, plus it came with this little hair tie to make sure that you're able to do your edges or your baby hairs. Okay, yeah, so this is Brazilian hair, and again, it is in 24 inches and this is a closure lace wig, so all you're getting is a closure here, but what you're really getting is just this like little sliver of lace right in the center. So if that's not for you, I would look for a wig on the website that maybe has more space for lace. The price of this wig is going to be $228.91. For 24 inches, that's not bad, and I think it's cheaper because there is less lace to work with. You're also able to choose if you want to have like a side part or a middle part, and I personally just chose a middle part, but I think even a side part would look really cute with this mermaid vibes for the hair, especially if you decide to go ahead and do a braid out like I did. I just did like 2 pigtails on the side, and I just went in and like I kind of wet it with a bit of leave-in spray, or just you can just use water and you're fine. So I think for the price of it, it's not bad at all. And on top of that, again, it has like little flaps right here, so it kind of like fits your ear, and you will have a little bit of leave out. So if you have hair out like I do, you could just put gel and kind of gel your own hair back. Yeah, the hair is also very soft. I've already washed this hair once, and I also went in and bleached the knots. It did come with like a little layer of this like material underneath it. I feel like I gave myself more of a model makeup or model-esque makeup look for today. For the full length, 24 inches, and it kind of hits me like more so at my waist. Also, I wanted to let you know that Nadula Hair is able to put in a few gifts for you guys if you click the link down below that I give you to purchase this unit. So they first sent me this really cute little bag. It's like a holographic looking bag. So once you move it around, it kind of changes color from like green to purple and blue. It's just really, really cute, and it holds a lot of stuff actually. I already put like a lipstick in here, and also they sent me this really cute little compact mirror, like rose gold one. But look how cute this is. So it has a little hair clip which says Kiss on it. Very early 2000s. I absolutely love that. It's really cute. And then they also sent a little wet paddle brush that you can use in the shower. I love using this for wigs just to detangle. It is a detangling brush, but you can also use it for your natural hair as well. It has like really soft bristles here. And this is a pretty big size. Like usually if companies send me these, they're a lot smaller. The last thing that they sent me was a little brush for your baby hairs. These are always good to have, especially extras. I usually use a toothbrush, but I forgot to use this for the video for today. So those are the 5 gifts that you get if you do decide to go ahead and purchase this wig. I feel like this is a pretty good effortless glow up if you obviously minus the foundation. Yeah, I think that this hair is really cute. If you guys want to go ahead and purchase it, I'm gonna put the link down below in the description box for you guys. But yeah, thank you for Nadula Hair for sending me this unit. I will talk to you guys later and have an awesome day. All right, bye guys.